I'm making Pudina chicken. For this, I've heated a pressure cooker and added oil. And once the oil is hot, add thinly sliced half onion, few curry leaves, and fry the onion till it turns dark brown in color. Now the onion has begun to turn dark brown, and this is what adds good flavor and taste to this dish. Add 300 to 400 grams of cleaned and washed chicken and give this a good mix. Fry till the chicken turns its color to lightly pink. To make the masala into a blender jar, I am roughly chopping 1 tomato, half onion, and we would also need a handful of mint leaves. Two green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a pinch of peppercorn, a pinch of cumin seeds, a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of mustard seeds, a pinch of coriander powder, a pinch of garam masala powder. Now grind this without adding any water. Now add the ground paste into the pressure cooker and mix well so that the chicken is well coated with this masala. At this stage, the chicken is 70% cooked. Add some salt and half cup of rinsed water from the jar. Give it a good mix. To further cook the chicken, I am going to close the lid and pressure cook it only for 3 whistles. Open the lid once the pressure has fully released. Our mint chicken or Pudina chicken is ready. Do let me know if you have given any of these recipes a try and share your feedback in the comment section below this video. To receive further updates, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care. Bye-bye.